Hello, this is a very quick update video on grapevines. So if you've been following me, you know that we inherited a lot of grapevines here at Levka Cottages, Travel Malarkey Camperstop in Levka, and I've dealt with the ones around the front of the property with the help of my very kind neighbour who came over and basically pruned 3 of them for me and showed me how to do it. But I kept putting off doing the ones up in the pergola here, and I've just done it all today. I'm really pleased with myself. It's just really difficult to get to. I don't have proper step ladders, so it's quite high. And basically there was vines from last year sticking right up in the air, about 5-6 feet in the air. And you're supposed to prune them right down. I would have done it properly for this year, but it's a start. So you prune them right down, just leave a few, because they grow an enormous amount, like, you know, up to 15 feet or something. I don't know, crazy. I watched YouTube videos, can't remember it all. There's plenty there if you want to find out about grapevines. And so you need to prune back all the old growth, because they just grow miles every year. And if you don't, then you're going to wind up with loads of leaves, which will shade it too much and you won't get very many grapes. So we might not get so many grapes this year because it's been hard pruned, but we'll see what happens. So I just wanted to show you the decimation, the grapevine decimation down here, and give you an idea of some height. There's a little bit up there, so that's about 4 foot, and there's more. Poor Marley can't get through, so now I need to go and tidy all this up and get rid of it all. We've got sheds full of like old grapevine trimmings, because they're used for the left to dry out and then used for the kindling. This one is the height of me. It's 5'6". I'm only little, and yeah, pretty much the height of me. I'm holding it up to my head, but you can't see that in the video. So that's it. It's all tidy, and I've got to go and deal with clearing up the thorn trees I cut down up the back, and doing more work on my raised beds, which I've just started doing. I've got loads of seeds coming on. They've all started sprouting, and our daffodils are coming out at last. They've taken ages, so they're quite late season ones. I'll need a lot of new bulbs next year, but we're just watching, seeing what's happening this year. And this is a bluebell type thing. There's blue ones as well. Can't remember what it's called. Something like Russian slosh. It's not actually a bluebell. They're quite pretty. There's like quite a lot of those. And there's all kinds of bulbs coming up still. And cherry trees blossoming, plum trees. There's blossoms everywhere. I should really have done these grapevines a couple of weeks ago. But better late than never. And there's Marley out. That's where our raised beds are being roughly put together up there. As long as they take my veggies this summer, that's all that matters. And I'm gonna, when this comes down, we've got a builder. That's brilliant. I've got a builder, a guy called Paul Bilby, who's gonna manage the project for us. And these 2 sheds here, this is gonna knock through into the main house there. See the main house? And the bathroom will be the other side of that wall. This wall's coming down here. This wall in the middle. And this one open. And this one, as you can see, lots of sunlight coming through that roof. So the roof all needs fixed. So yeah, Paul's taking out this roof in the middle for us, knocking through, fix it. Roof in the middle? Wall in the middle. Putting in, sorting the roof out, putting in new beams to hold it up, because there isn't going to be a wall here. This whole thing's coming out. and putting in French windows for us here. So this is going to be a sitting room, open plan sitting room kitchen. Quite small, but then we're going to have a massive veranda out here, and this old summer kitchen is going to come down, and then I'll have all the brick from that to, just going to turn this light off, all the brick from that to put around my raised beds and make them nice brick ones. So we're just using the old planks for now until I get the bricks down, and that's that. So little update from Levka. Hoping that we'll be able to let people stop over in a couple of months' time, come the summer. We're not going to have much by way of facilities. The camper stop won't be done properly until next year. But, you know, thinking if anybody's passing and they're able to get in and park up, then they can come and stop over if they like and give us a little donation or whatever for staying. But we'll see how we get on. Be nice to have it levelled and hard standing in for the summer, but we'll see. Anyway, it's goodbye from Levka, it's goodbye from me, it's goodbye from Marley, and it's goodbye from next door's donkey. Bye.